Hey guys, welcome. My name is Beauties. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up the double arm light. I'm going to just show you the difference between the ring light and the double arm light. So the double arm light I just got. So a lot of makeup artists are asking, is it better than the ring light? Is it brighter than the ring light? So I'm just going to do all this and show you the setup and then the comparison between the ring light and the double arm light. So let's get into it. So you need the stand first of all. So this is the stand. Okay. This is the stand. This is what it looks like. Stand. So you open it up. There's a part here that you would release the bit and then you would kind of like pull out. Okay. See, you get the desired. Okay, can you see? Okay. So I'm okay with this. Then I put it down. So there's always a knob. There are compartments here, or rather, there are knobs here that you can actually use to extend, make it go higher. So you can unscrew like this, just twist a bit, releases, and then you click back tight. So that's it. So do the same thing to this one if you want it higher. But I think I'm okay with the height. Okay. So there's a knob here that you need to take off. This black knob. Just unscrew so that you can allow the light sit well. Take off the black knob. And the double arm light looks like. So can you see the double arm light? So, in the box like that, so I take off this one, this, and then I screw this part to this part. So that's it. So it sits, it's secured. I need to take this down so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so it's better like this. So that's it. So once you have secured it in it, then you open up the arm, one, and then two. So that's how it is. Let me take it lower a little bit so you can see. Okay, so that's it. So that's how it is. Then there's a control here. So right in the box, okay, there's a control adapter and another plug. Okay, so you just screw it like that. And then you connect with this port, this one, and then you plug this to that. So this end is coming on here. So I'm going to turn it. Let me take it up a little bit so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay. So this is where I'll put this one. At the side here, you see there's a USB drive and then there's another port here. So you just put it here. That clicks. And then I plug this one to light. This is what it looks like. So that's how it shows the lights. Can you see? Let me take it down. So let me go back again. So how did you do it? Okay. So part of what? So once you put, there's another screw here that locks this in. Okay, so you just, so that it doesn't come off the head. So that's the screw that locks it in. Okay. And then it's secured tightly, it won't come off. So that's it. Then this is the camera holder that comes with it. So there's a space here. I don't know if you can see. A space in between here. This goes into it. Can you see? So it just goes in like this. And then that's it. Okay. So once it's tight, you put this in the knob. Like it has a circular hole here, and then you go into this place. You can and screw so it's loose.
Very well.
Do you understand? So once it goes in like that, then you put this back on and then screw. So this is where your camera phone will stay. So there's nothing here anymore. It's empty. Okay, so everything is taken out and we have assembled everything. So this is the camera holder and then this is the light. So I'm just going to put it on now. So to put on, here already is written off. So to put it on, you just long press and then it's on. So can you see? This is the light it gives off. Let me take it down a little bit so you can actually see the full. Okay. So this is the light it gives off. This is the light to the camera. I think this is the ISTTs. Okay, no, that's not the IS. So can you see it changes from orange warm light then to white light. Okay, I have it facing me now. So that's it. Hi guys, so this is me using, let me put off this one. And I'm leaving the other ring light, but let me just show you what it. So this is it. This is me using the light to film my face. Do you understand? So let me go and take it down a little bit more so you can sit down. So this is it. So the good thing about this light is that because it's double arm, you can control, you can adjust. Do you understand? But unlike ring light that is static, but you know, this is adjusting it. So this is the IS, it is 5,600. So this is it. So this is how the light comes off. This is the light on my face. Hi, hello. You know, da 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 da. And then this is the light. Me trying to take a picture with the phone. So this is how bright it is. Can you see? So that's it. That's how bright it is with the white light. So it's not bad for photography, but you can't use this light for videos, no. So let me. So this is another one, quite bright. So let me do it to the orange light so we can actually check. So it's actually warmer. Yeah. But the thing is, it has a lot of shadows. So this is the orange light, and then this is the white light. This is the orange light, and then this is the white light. So that's how. So it's a preference thing. It's an LED light, so it's not going to be hot, making you sweat and all that. It's just a regular light. So let me just do a comparison as against a ring light itself. Okay. Okay. So that's it. Off. Okay. So let me now show you with ring light. Okay. So this is ring light. Hey guys, so this is what the 18 inches ring light looks like when you're working with the 18 inches ring light. It's a lot brighter. As you can see, it frames my face. If I move back, you can still see it's giving me light to my face and around my face. Can you see? You know, so I prefer to use the 18 inches ring light, you know, because the light source is a lot brighter, and then, you know, like I said, it's not like the double arm light that, you know, you have to now start turning, twisting, you know. This just started. This white light is actually good, you know, but the other lights, the double arm light, actually works for makeup artists because it has two lights. It has the orange and it has a white light, so you can, you know, tune, and then you have time to, you know, maneuver and take your pictures anyhow you want to. So that's the difference between the two lights. So if you have watched the video to this level, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell, like, subscribe, share, and if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section below. I sell this light, by the way, if you want them, and I can always help you hook up to get them. So till my next video, guys. Bye.